cranberry. This is 4 1/4 cup of cranberry, frozen cranberries I got from after I mentioned that. And then I just added 1 3/4 cups of water. And we're going to boil this. It says boil it until skins burst. We are going to, and it says, in a saucepan, combine cranberry water, bring to boil over medium-high heat, reduce heat, and boil gently. Okay, our gel cranberry is boiling, so we're going to reduce the heat and leave it to do a gentle boil until all of the skins have popped. All of the cranberry popped. And the next step is to put it in the food processor. And you absolutely have to keep an eye on this, just like you have to do with your strawberries and your jellies, because it will stick. You can absolutely stop it at this point and add your sugar, but let's not say that. Don't keep that in sugar. Before I start rolling out the pizza dough, I cleaned my counter down, and I'm going to transfer the cranberries to this measuring cup. I need to put it in, the recipe says to put it inside of the food processor and process in batches. Well, I took out my, I could put this inside of my bigger, the bigger food processor, but that means that I have something big to clean. So I'd rather clean the small one, because this is a small amount anyway. So I'm going to do, in a little batch, 3 spoons in there, and we have to puree this down.
So I was a busy bee on this day. I did cranberry sauce, and this is cranberries I bought from Azure Standard. They were frozen. They were supposed to have gotten done before Thanksgiving, but got sick and didn't have a chance to take care of it. So we're cleaning out our freezer, so now got a chance to get it done. And I did the pizza. This is the day I did the pizza also. You guys should have seen that video. That video is out. If you haven't seen it, please check it out. And same day I did tomato sauce, basic tomato sauce. I did it with Italian seasoning. I will be showing you that video also. I filled the jars. I forgot to record. Filled the jars a quarter head space. They all sealed. It had a true seal. I hope you guys enjoy the video.
1, 2, 3, 4. With 5 stones from the Wadi deep, David put the giant to sleep. And Judith with her bravery brought the general to his knees. And Daniel in the lion's den, the bravest of the king's men. And Gideon's 300 strong, the trumpets played a victory song. One by one we'll come to the beating of your drum, till the whole world shouts.
So I am putting it, oh gosh. So turning this stove back on medium heat, And I need to put 2 cups of sugar in here. And this is a half a cup, so there's going to be 4 of these half a cups. Now we need to stir this until the sugar is completely dissolved. And then once the sugar is dissolved, we're going to put it back up on high heat and bring it to a boil. And that's when we're going to turn this bad boy off and put it into the jars.
Let your kingdom come throughout. Let your kingdom come. The virgin's healed upon his head. Our ancient foe will soon be dead. God has been upon.
Some of this is going to be a voiceover because the children are watching Disney movie, Encanto. They're watching, and you know they're singing in there. So I got a cloth because this thing is super hot, super duper hot. So I'm sorry. What I was saying is that we're looking for a 1/4-inch cut space. I guess my heat sensitivity went away. My heat tolerance went away and now I'm sensitive to heat. Let me get another wing.
On the cross, rose again, no death you lost. One by one will come to the beating of your drum, till the whole world shouts. Let your kingdom come throughout. Let your kingdom, one by one will come to the beating of your drum, till the whole world shouts. Let your kingdom come throughout. Let your kingdom come. Let your kingdom come. 1, 2, 3, hey! Oh, come and lay your weapons down, for in his kingdom peace is found. Pick up your feet and dance around to celebrate our king is crowned. Oh, come and lay your weapons down.
This is the leftovers. I just wanted to show you guys that gel right there. Yeah, right there, see? This is like what you would see in when you take it out of the can that you purchase from the store. That gelling right there. Isn't that beautiful? We just made our own. But let's not celebrate yet because it didn't seal. The other ones didn't seal. The spaghetti, the pizza sauce didn't seal, so let's not celebrate yet. Well, let me taste it. I do like it better. Look at that.
What is that?
Just wanted to focus. Let me. You put it on the black side. So, look at that, y'all. I like this better. Yeah, because I don't like the one in the store. This is good. You want to taste it, babe?
Yeah.
Let's see if the children like it.
Good line.
And Lovey got some Jaden got some. Move over, let the others go. Bear got some. Try it. You like it?
Yeah.
Come on, Nevaeh.
This is the best jam.
Nevaeh got some.
This is the best one I ever tasted.
It's really good.
It is.
I'm gonna say that too.
They've never had cranberry before.
No,
Cranberry
no,
jam.
no,
I don't even think they drank cranberry juice unless it was cranberry grape or something.
It was sour. It was a little bit sour.
But I appreciate the big ups, Mommy. You did good.
Mommy, it was a little bit sour.
Yeah, it's supposed to be sour.
That's good though.
Yeah, but the sour and the sweet together is what's giving us the mmm.
Mommy, what's in that before?
What? What happened?